Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. And here in the UK, the summers can be very nice, but what tends to happen is the local councils want to save a little bit of money and they don't cut the grass really short, so we're limited as to where we can go play. Now, we have decided to pop along to a local field, and we have got a little track that we've made out here. Hang on, I can hear the gate rattling. Here he is, it's Mark. He's coming late as usual with his Beaties bag, but do you know what, we've got a fun little session planned for today, so let's see what he's bought in his Beaties bag and let's have a play. What you got with you today then, boss?
Well, I've spent a long time building this and people have had a go at me. They said, hey, don't take long. It took me long. But this is the DT04, my first ever Tamiya buggy build. I have put, the only upgrade is I put a core 21 because you've got a faster motor, ain't you?
Yeah, yours came with the 27 turn as silver can, whereas mine came with a torque tune. So
I've got that. I've got the old faithful here. Look at that, hey? We're going back to basics on this video.
this is the DT04, so it's going to be DT04 versus your DT02. Now, if you remember this from my build, obviously it's got all the white bits of plastic on it, but you might notice that I've lost the top of it now. So it did have this little pin that acted as a hinge to lift the whole bit up, and there was a little brace that held the battery in, but now I can actually fit slightly bigger batteries in. So these are my NXGEN 5200s. These should last ages, proper hard case batteries. And then the pin that you used for like the roof, you just slide through there, boop, put a pin in like so, and that is secure, me. That is going nowhere. So I'm really happy with that. And I did another little thing as well in that, because now it's getting to the racing part of this video series. I thought I'd get myself a race shell. Look at that.
That looks good.
That
Should
is.
we have a little play then?
Yeah, I'm going to need to borrow a body clip though, because I've forgotten.
I've got one for you.
3, 2, 1, go!
So in terms of the two cars, on the left we've got, it's my left, is that your right? Hang on a second. Mine's blown. It's your right, isn't it? But my left.
Yeah.
Anyway, this car here, this is the Sand Viper DT02 versus the DT04. As you can see, the front ends, they have got very similar, if not identical, lower arms. This one though has got turnbuckles for the upper arms, whereas I've got solid arms. Steering, again, we've both got adjustable turnbuckles. In terms of the front shock mounts, slightly different setup here. I've opted to put mine on the outside and inside to lay down the shocks as much as possible. On this car, you haven't got an option to, or have you? No, you haven't got the option to change at the top, but you can change at the bottom. So therefore, there's a little bit of adjustments that can be made. In terms of the rear of the cars, they are extremely similar. Let's have a little flick that one round. So there isn't much really to say about these. Obviously the dog bones in this are massive chunky ones, whereas these are sort of old school metal ones. Same tyres, same wheels, we've always said it on the channel, if you get 2 evenly matched cars, you can have a blast and you can have some fun. So time to change the batteries, time for round 2, or maybe round 20. We've been here a while, boss.
We have. That's actually quite good fun, but which is the fastest? They've both got the same electrics in, really, ain't they?
Pretty much,
They have. Same gearing, same tyres, but who's fastest? In a straight line, shall we have a look?
Let's go.
Okay.
Three, two, one, go!
So I think it's definitely worth mentioning about this radio gear, because this is seriously, we have got expensive stuff, of course. This video is not an expensive video, but that's the whole point. The whole point of us doing it. So this is the Carson Reflex Stick 3.1 Pro. I used to run sticks back in the day, so I'm alright with it, but we've been using it for about half an hour now, and I have no issues with this. Let's do a range check with it. Go on, you do it.
Me do it?
Yeah, you do it.
That then.
Right.
Here goes.
Right.
I'll tell you what.
Remember, there's no aerial on it because it's... Right, I'm not being funny. That is what... How far would you say that is? 100 metres? That's 100 metres. Full control?
Full control.
Right, full control. All the way back. Now, you've not run sticks before, have you?
No, see if I can stop it.
There you go. Now, remember, you get a servo with... I've got no affiliate links to this or nothing, yeah? So, I'm just... When I see something
Have you
good...
got that servo in this car?
That servo is in this car. The one you get with that, the receiver's in that car. I've done nothing to it. I have heard rumours that it comes out of trim. This hasn't. It's been absolutely rock solid, and I think it retails about 70 quid, something like that. Again, the whole thing, this whole video and series of videos is about a budget RC racing.
Do you realise this is the first time I've run sticks since the
It
90s?
is the first time you've run sticks since the 90s, yeah.
Right,
So, how are you getting on with it? I don't know whether I'm doing better with sticks, you know, than a wheel. Have we been getting it wrong all this time? Ridiculous. Right, let's do a little lap with the old Sand Viper in the hands of Carl. Nice. Now, it's worth noting he is using sticks. You haven't done that, you say, since you was a little nipper.
My original hot shot.
Since the original hot shot, circa 1987, something like that. I don't know. Someone will correct me.
Yeah, I was running it in the 90s, so it's been
In the 90s.
30 years since.
Well, maybe it was the 90s then. Oh, he's hit the tyre. It's good though, isn't it? It's quite a good little car, that.
I'm actually really impressed with this radio gear, I've got to be honest.
Yeah, the radio gear.
It is an entry-level radio, but for this sort of car, it does exactly what you want it to do.
Yeah, exactly. So if you are after a car that you want to build with your kids, or I don't know, just for you maybe, and you want to muck around, that is that's a good little package right there. But it's kind of taking me back to when I was myself a little kid, because I used to just go to the park. Football weren't my thing really, RC cars was, and I just used to bomb it round in the dust and the dirt, and it used to be quite good fun. So yeah, gone back to our roots a little bit. Nice.
Do you know what, boss?
What?
This here has actually inspired me. I think having a go with your stick radio has given me the confidence to get the Tamiya Falcon back out.
We'll get the Tamiya Falcon out.
It
You've got
needs to
like
get
a...
out, 'cause it's got all original. It's got my original radio in it. It's got it's got manual It's got old school analog speed control in there. It's proper old school. So I think I might give that a go. You know.
I think you should. It's actually quite a good laugh, I have to say. Yeah, I'm shocked in a good way actually. The radio gear, the car, it's good. It's a good package, good combination, and it's a lot of fun. Sometimes you've just got to go and have a laugh with these cars, haven't you? And actually, that is a good car. Yeah, it's got scratches on the bottom now, so it's been used, which is quite nice. There's not much else to say about it really. It's a great car, beginner car to get you involved in racing. So go and get one and come and join us. Come and have a laugh. But you know what? It is definitely worth doing if you're on a tight budget. The build of both of these cars is super simple. It gives you an insight into how these cars work, obviously. It's just fun. Sometimes you gotta just go to the park with your mates and have a play with some cars, and it doesn't come much better than this. We could have been to many a meeting today. Today is Sunday, so Sunday is traditionally race day. We've got to come here and just have a go at these cars just to give them a bit of a test run. So there you go, the DT02 Sand Viper, definitely worth a go. What's your one again? The NXGEN. The NXGEN.
And it is on a DT04 chassis.
On a DT04 chassis. Both very, very similar. If you and your mates want a nice little build, get out and have a go. Thoroughly enjoyable. Definitely worth having a go. It's my first Tamiya buggy. I don't think it'll be my last. I have kind of poo-pooed him in the past, but I can't knock it. Reminds me of being a kid again. Anyway, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. We'll see ya on another one.